delicious, easy, quick, and will fill you up. And most of all, the entire thing come together for less than $4. I dare you go to any kind of restaurant and get this for less than 15 to 18. Let me show you how it's made. The first thing we need to do, we're going to season our flour for the meat. We got a little bit of complete seasoning. I've never tried this before, but it smelled very good. So we're going to give it a shot. Next comes cracked black pepper. We're not going to use any salt because we have salt already in the seasoning. Take our pork chop. This is approximately 2.5 ounces. Stir it up in there real good. Meantime, let's start a fire. Get that nice and hot. You want to get this where it's good to go also. That's done. We have all the ingredients cut up, ready to go. It's going to be very fast. We're going to start as usual with a little bit of avocado oil. You want to use a neutral oil. Have our meat ready to go, our pork. This entree is going to be for one person. Let's put our steak in there. Turn the fire down. You do not want this to be too hot. Put that in there and let it go. This is very thinly cut pork steak. You want to flip it as few as you want to. Look at that. Very good crust. Get this all mixed up in there. Our pork chop is getting ready, so we're going to move it to the side. Introduce our other ingredients. Next is going to come the mushrooms. We're going to throw in onions. Some green peppers. These peppers are interesting. I froze them, bought these on clearance very, very inexpensively, and froze them. Bought the entire pack of these for less than $2. Put them in the freezer, ready to go. Very good money saving, very good tip. Back to the pan. And looks good. This will come together very, very fast. It's going to be a very rich entree. It's going to be for one person, me, and this is my dinner tonight. Next, we're going to put in some peas. These are frozen peas, but when a few vegetables come together very, very fast. The next thing we're going to add is our half and half. Make a very good sauce out of this. Using half and half because it has fat content and it will help thicken this. Turn our fire up so it comes add a little bit more of the seasoning in there. For a little bit of extra color, we're going to throw some pimentos. Great flavor. You see how this is thickened up. And that is ready to go. I'm going to add our pork chop back into it. And that's done. Make some garlic bread. Got some butter. Spread it on there, nice and evenly. Turn our fire on. The fire goes on very, very medium heat. Do not want to burn these. You can do them in the oven, but we're going to do them right here. Be just as good. A little bit of butter. Put these in here. Almost forgot the garlic. Little garlic, member's mark. Sprinkle on there. There's our garlic bread cooking. Fire is at a low. Turn the fire up just a tad. In the meantime, I want to tell you what we did for an entree, for a side dish. Sorry. At Publix or at Walmart, you can get these guys right here. They run them on special all the time for $2 for. These are normally $2 a piece. Publix or Walmart runs these on special all the time for $2 a piece. So that breaks down to 2 servings at 50 cents a piece. That's amazing. Keep that in mind. We're all about saving money here and helping you guys out, showing you how to live better on a budget. There's the Brussels sprouts right there, and there's our tray. So our garlic bread coming up. It's hot, be careful. Nothing better than garlic bread. Great smell. All right, let's plate this up and we'll get ready to serve. And there you have it. Our creamy stir-fried pork with a cream sauce with peas and mushrooms and garnish. Delicious. For the very last piece, our pan-fried pork chop. This looks amazing. Well, that was a lot of fun. Very easy, very quick, very delicious. Let's give this a try real quick and see how it is. Got a lot of food here. Like I said, it comes together for around $4. Bite. That was very good. That works. Quick, easy, delicious, and fills you up. If you want to see more examples on how you can feed yourself on a budget, how you can make easy meals, like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.